Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to get MS skill into MS Word. So let's started. At first open a document. Firstly, then we show the open the MS Word. Then MS Word is into get MS skill. Firstly, now I can going to the insert menu option and click for the object option. Now click for the again object option and click for the scroll mouse, then click for the Microsoft SQL 97 2003 worksheet, then for click. Now click for the OK. That's okay. Now click for the course. Now then show the MS skill into MS Word. Now for edit, that's okay. I have to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.